Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to Bitcoin in a free and easy way with Cash App. So let's start. First, open the Cash App on your phone. This is the home screen of your app. Here you can send and receive payments. Now let's move on. Now tap on the icon on bottom left corner. To buy Bitcoin from here, you have to have cash balance on your account, as well as your account has to be connected with your bank. If you tap on Link Bank, then you can add your bank account. Now tap on the graph icon at the bottom of the screen, and here you will see the Bitcoin is selected. You can easily buy Bitcoins from here. And if you tap on stocks, you can also buy stocks. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see various informations about Bitcoin. Now to buy Bitcoin, tap on buy. You can select any amount from here, or if you want to add a custom amount, then tap on three dots and enter your amount. Then tap on next. And you have to add your mobile phone number if you haven't already. After entering your mobile phone number, you have to add your bank account and then proceed to the transaction. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.